Old Uncle Judd had troubles of his own. He had a scruffy yellow Tom that wouldn't leave home. He went to church one Sunday for advice. The preacher said, "Leave him here, 'twould be so very nice." But the cat came back, the cat came back. Thought he was a goner, but the cat came back. He wouldn't stay away. He gave him to a man going up in a balloon, and asked the chap to leave him with the man in the moon. The balloon, it must have busted, well, that's what everybody said, 'cause 10 miles away they picked the man up dead. But the cat came back, the cat came back. Thought he was a goner, but the cat came back. He just wouldn't stay away. Old Uncle Judd swore he'd kill that cat on sight. He loaded up his blunderbuss with nails and dynamite. He aimed it at the spot where the tomcat would appear. All they ever found was Uncle Judd's left ear. Where did they find it? Well, it was just left ear. But the cat came back, the cat came back. Thought he was a goner, but the cat came back. He just wouldn't stay away. He broke into the house, ate everything in sight, while outside this Irish fella was looking for a fight. I fight the lot of yous, come out and I left the lot of yous now. The cat, all smiles, sat fat and fully fed. The fella sang Rule Britannia and the cat dropped dead. What? But his ghost came back. The ghost came back. We thought he was a goner, but the ghost came back. Just couldn't stay away.